Hello students, today's Western sociologist is Max Weber. As you know that Max Weber was born on 21st April 1864 in Germany, and his father was a magistrate and a politician. His mother Heidelberg societies, and she was very liberal. Max Weber got his law degree from Heidelberg, and he also studied in Göttingen and Berlin universities. After completing his doctorate research and paper that was a contribution to the history of medieval business organizations, Weber was among the first to discuss the special and the complex kind of objectivity that the social science had to cultivate. Empathetic understanding required the sociologist to faithfully according to the subjective meanings, without allowing his or her own personal belief and opinions to influence his process in any way. Max Weber generated a new theory in the sociology that was the concept of ideal societies, and that was controlled by a new class known as the bureaucrats. This bureaucracy that was run by the bureaucrats has some important and special features, and one by one. The first feature is it is an organization based on the separation of the public from the domestic world. This means that behavior in the public domain is regulated by explicit rules or regulations. As a public institution, bureaucracy restricts the power of the officials in regard to their responsible and does not provide the absolute power to them. The function of officials have fixed areas of official jurisdictions, and that is governed by rules, laws, and administrative regulations. The hierarchical ordering of positions. Authority and the office are placed on a graded hierarchy where the higher officials supervise the lower ones. The reliance on written documents. The management of the bureaucratic organization is carried out on the basis of the written documents which are preserved as records. Office management. As office management is a specialized and modern activity, and it requires trained and skilled personnel to conduct operations. Conduct in office. Officials' conduct in office is governed by exhaustive rules and regulations. Max Weber also studied about the Indian society, and he studied India under his work on the sociology of the religion. Weber understand the Indian society as orthodox and suppressed under the barriers of the caste system. He emphasized throughout his study the need of the rational thinking which was opposed by the caste system in India. He also believed that the religion and caste system together acted against economic development.